Hello everyone. Oh, it's a burn. Never mind. Hi guys, what's up? I keep looking at myself because I don't remember being this gross, but here I am. Okay, on that topic, let's talk about that. I just want to tell y'all why I look really gross and literally all of my videos. So every morning I go on a run because I'm weirdly addicted to going on runs, and if I don't, I feel like I'm 300 pounds. It's a weird mindset thing. Whatever. I have to go on a run like every morning, so I go at like 9 or 10 a.m. So for the rest of the day, this is basically what I look like because I don't care about hygiene. Sister, we've been new. So that's why my hair is always like slicked back and greasy, and I'm just, it's gross. It's a gross time. But anyways, I am dog sitting my second favorite puppies. Of course, mine come first, but these are definitely my second favorite puppies. This right here. This is Chloe. Hi, Chloe. She's so sleepy. And hold on. Oh, what do you want? What's going on? She loves to put her hand on me. It's so sweet. Or her paw. I'm sorry. You're not a human. This is the sweetest thing I've ever seen in my whole entire life. I could not be happier. But basically, I'm at my mom's house. Deb, Amy, I know you don't watch my YouTube, but if for some freak chance you're watching, I love y'all. Amy and Deb are my actual mothers. So that's all you need. This is their humble abode. I wonder if they have cameras. I wonder if they can just like see like they're watching from Yosemite. It's fine. I mean, look how comfy this couch is. Why would I get up and just leave voluntarily? No.
Chloe, she's so snuggly. She's like a little polar bear. It's so cute. Oh my god.
But I guess I'm supposed to hang out with Jacob at 6, so that's in 4 hours. Alrighty, I'm back home now, and this is open. Of course not. I am out of breath. I'm packing for Mission Arlington. Super excited, and I hate packing. It gives me mucho anxiety. This is my dog.
Hi. I love you. You're so precious.
Just if you abuse me at any second, it'll be caught on tape.
Don't listen to her.
Hi everyone, I'm being held hostage.
I'm pretty sure you cheated. Why are you on my side? Get off my side.
I want to play with her.
This is my side. This is my side.
Jacob, stop.
Get off of my side. Stop. Look how many took. You say I win. You suck.
You turned it the wrong way.
I win. Right there. Un, deux, trois. I don't know how to say French.
Hi everyone, I'm at the mall with my sweet little babies.
Your knee is in the way, Haley.
What would you like to tell YouTube?
You should follow her. Your 3 followers? Wait, she only has 3 followers? Right now.
What?
Tell your vlog what we're doing.
We're having a lovely day at the beach. As you can see, I'm at the beach. Here's the grass at the beach, and here's the sand at the beach. Because we're at the beach. All right, so listen to this man in this next clip. He literally walked up to all of us and asked if he could take a picture of us for his daughter. It was very creepy. I did not like it.
I want
Okay.
to bring my daughter and put her here too. Can I take a picture for you?
No.
For my daughter. For my daughter.
For what reason? Grace.
Have a good one.
I'm confused. You're not just gonna take a picture? Grace! What? You don't know him. Yeah, for what reason? I didn't know it sounded like that. Did you get that on video? Oh my John. What?
Oh, this is Malin. This is my bestest friend in the whole world, and I love her. This is Cameron. I mean, not Cameron. This is Grace. She loves me the most, right?
That's not true. I see Haley the most.
trust me. Oh my gosh.